Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Anoka County, southeastern Sherburne County, until 10:45 a.m. At 10:08 a.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 65 miles per hour. This storm was located near Zimmerman, or about 5 miles south of Princeton, and moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Big Lake, Elk River, St. Francis, Ramsey, Cedar, Andover, Ham Lake, East Bethel, Centerville. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour and large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.